Guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company CurlsCurls, which means I'm going to be showing you some curly goodness. So this is their Kinky Curly Glueless Lace Front Wig. This one is in the length 18 inches. I do have a medium cap size. This unit comes with your 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and also your adjustable elastic band. I went ahead and bleached my knots because I feel like the knots were small, but they were definitely dark. And then I decided to go in and thin out the hairline a bit more. With this much hair, I just wanted it to look a little bit more scalp-like. Now, it does come with a pre-pluck hairline, so if you wanted to rock that straight out of the package, you definitely could. See, I did have to go in and cut some of my lace off so that it could sit above my ear. And I'm just going to show you guys what that parting space is looking like. You do have some versatility, but of course, if you wanted to do like a deep side part, you are going to run into some tracks. Now I'm going to go around the front of the hairline before I cut off my lace. I'm going to put a little bit of my wax, and then I'm going to take my hot comb and just lightly press it out. I already knew what kind of style I wanted to do, so this is just going to help everything look nice and sleek, but I'm not going to press it out too much because I don't want to take away from the texture. I'm going to be adding some bobby pins on the side, and I'm also going to take a little bit of hair out to cover up my sideburns. I do not want to spray any adhesive in that area because of the way that my hair is molded, so this just helps to lay everything down and still look natural. But I am going to take some spray and spray on top of my lace. I'm using my olive oil fix it whole spray, and then I'm going to use my rat tail comb just to press everything down to make sure no lace rolls up. I wanted to do a half up, half down look. I wasn't sure if I wanted to have some of the parting space showing, but once I pulled it up like this, I was like, okay, that's cute. I do want to leave some hair out on the side. I don't want to pull it up all the way. This is a lot of hair. It is only 150% in density, but you can definitely see how nice and full it is. And then I also want to make sure I leave some hair out so that that is showing in the back. I don't want to pull it up too much because I don't want to worry about any tracks. So I'm going to twist this out of the way so that I can work on styling the back part. My water bottle, I'm going to make sure to spray the hair down really good, especially towards the ends and the nape area. And then I'm going to use my wide tooth comb to comb through it and make sure there's no snags or anything going on before I add my product. Now, I washed this hair using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and I made sure to condition it twice. So I feel like I got most of the snags out, which made it easier for me to comb through. And then I'm going to be using my olive oil mousse to define these curls. I do plan on adding some swoops on the side, so I'm going to go ahead and pull them out now. And as you can see, I'm pulling out a very thin layer. And then I'm going to tie my elastic band around the hairline area so that the lace can finish marinating into my skin. First, I was going to place the hair into a ponytail before adding my product, but I forgot how thick it was and also how coarse it was. So I was like, nope, I'm going to go ahead and do it now because I feel like it's just going to be easier. And then once I place the product in and I comb everything out, then the ponytail will just sit nice without me having to readjust it. make your life easier so you don't have to go through all that, style this on your mannequin head. I promise you, it's gonna be easy and simple. You let it air dry and then you just put it on the next day after it has dried down. Now, I do need to go in and diffuse this. And the one thing that I will say about this hair, it dried up really quick. So it didn't take me any time to diffuse this. I am just going to remove my elastic band to see how everything is looking. I'm going to comb out those longer pieces that I left in the front, and then I am going to cut them down shorter and curl them. And to swoop them over, I'm going to go in with my lace putty. Add some powder into the very front of this hairline just to kind of help it blend in a bit more. And then I am going to add a little bit of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum to lightly fluff up the hair. I'm not going to fluff it too much because I feel like the density on this looks really good already. So it doesn't need much done to it. Is the final look, and it came all together. The curls on this are absolutely gorgeous. I love a good half up, half down style, especially with kinky curly hair, because it just gives off such a playful look. So this is what the front of the hairline is looking like. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the length. Now this unit does start at 12 inches on the website, and the longest length is 20 inches. I got most of my shedding during the washing process, and then I got a little bit of shedding during the styling process. It definitely wasn't as much while styling it. And then as far as snags and tangles going on, I expect that to happen. This is kinky curly hair, so this is going to be a higher maintenance unit. The only con with this unit was that I feel like the lace was coming off a little bit on the grayer side, so I had to kind of keep going in and playing around with the powder. But the style is absolutely gorgeous. They do have Black Friday deals going on. You can get their 13x4 lace wigs starting at $159, and you can get a free upgrade to 13x6. So if you are feeling this, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.